Hi guys, my name is Brenton Stockberg. This is my BMW 335M Sport Coupe, which I recently scraped against the curb. I then got into contact with a guy called Rob at Alloy King, who assured me he can restore the rims back to its original way that they looked. In fact, he even went as far as to say that he could even make it a little bit better. And I took his word for it, and the end result was amazing. If you guys ever need work done to your wheels, whether you scrape it or need it to be resprayed or anything like that, I promise you these guys are very professional. They're out in the waterfront, right next to the Audi Center, in fact in the Audi Center, and give them a shout. This is what the wheel looks like now after it's been repaired. I had it sprayed. Have a look there. A beautiful anthracite. I couldn't be happier. Rob, thank you very much. You did an awesome job, my man.